everyone, it's Pam from Glam Junk Journals, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. This is from the Etsy shop, Your Creative Studio. And if you guys are not familiar with Your Creative Studio, it is an Etsy store that every month there is a different theme to the subscription boxes. And you can get 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, or 4. And you can also get 1 month, and the price varies. The more you get, the more discount applies. But every month is a different theme, and I am going to be opening the May box. I do not know what's inside this, so I'm just as excited as you guys. And I've got to tell you, I've checked out her Etsy store, and not only do they have the subscription boxes, they also have stamps and stickers and other junk journal supplies. So let's just get into it. All right, so if I can open this without creating too much of a mess here. It is boxed very well. So I'm going to get that side open. And we're going to pull out all the goodies inside. I am very excited about this. Okay. So let's see, there's her little card. Isn't that adorable? And I mean, I even love the card. That's so awesome. It has that vintagey distressed vibe look going on there. And it is wrapped up in this gorgeous paper. And I've used this paper in another one of my journals. So I am excited to have another sheet of this gorgeous paper. All right, so let's see what we got in here. We have got, let's see what this is. I can't tell yet, and I don't want to guess because a lot of times I'm incorrect. Oh, these are journaling cards, and it looks like they have a little perforation. Oh, excuse me, they're stickers. So see the perforation? Look at all these gorgeous little stickers. Isn't that wonderful for just putting on a pocket or a tag or just something when your page needs a little bit of extra something, right? Look at all of these, and they're all different. Oh, and I like this one too. It looks like, let me see. Yep, it's like washi tape, only it's a sticker. How cute is that? And then there's some other ones. I love these. Love these. All right, what do we got going in here? Okay, here are some cling stamps. Let's check them out. I love, love, love how these things are packaged. Every box is packaged with such care. You can tell she really takes pride in, packaging things beautifully. Oh, look at that. It is a vintage lady, and she looks like she's at her desk. Love that. So there's a rubber stamp. Let's see what this is. Oh, yeah. Got some washi going on here. And what's fun is every month is a different theme. And I was just looking at her Etsy store, and there are some past months too. So if you're looking for something specific, she may just have it. So let's see what we got here. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, vintagey. It almost has like a wood tone. So that would be beautiful on a grungy, distressed page in your journals. Love that. All right, and what do we got here? Oh, we've got some more stickers. Let me look at this. Hold on, let me find my scissors here. Because of course I've got to open it up. I can't just look at it from inside, right? You got to look at this. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at those. And I think these are also stickers. They're called note bar stickers, and I haven't heard of that before, but that's exactly what it looks like. And look at all these cute little patterns. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh man, talk about Using those on a collage page. Hello, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, I'm trying to keep this together, not make too much of a mess here. Oh my God, look at this little charm. It's an envelope. Can you guys see that? I don't want to shine the light on you, but it's a little envelope with a heart. I always need charms. Oh, so fun. This is so fun, you guys. Oh, and I got some more cling stamps. Oh yeah, whoops, got it upside down. It's like the postcard stamp, you know, with the writing and the postage from the post office. And look at that little guy. That's a stamp. That is of a stamp. Let me adjust the lighting. I don't know if it's coming through really well here, but it is a stamp. It's a stamp of a stamp. Oh, this is so fun. And I don't know about you guys, but I love, who doesn't love presents, right? I guess I should rephrase that. This is like Christmas here. Yay. All right, let me get this open here. Hold on just a second. It's a fancy box. It's a really fancy box. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I think this is a calligraphy pen. I could be wrong, but look at that. Dip it in the ink and you can write on it. I think this is a sign that I need to take up calligraphy. I've always talked about it, but never jumped right in. Do you guys know calligraphy? I just think it's the most beautiful art. Oh, that's gorgeous. Simply gorgeous. Oh, I love this. But wait, there's more. Another stamp here. Let's see. This is so fun. And who doesn't love stamps? They add something to the page, right? Oh, look at that. It's a feather pen and letters. Oh, this is beautiful. So we've kind of got like I'm thinking a little bit of a letter correspondence theme going on here. And here's some more stickers of birds. Yep, with letters. That's what we got going here. Oh, look at this. You know what I think this is? I think this is tissue paper. I'm not sure. Let's see. Like I said, I don't like to guess because then I'm wrong. This is so fun. Oh yeah. Talk about, oh, think of this. Man, whoops. Doing an altered postcard. Here, I'll put it up against the white. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Yep. And there's the stamp of the postage and the writing. I think it goes this way. My mistake. Yep. Oh, beautiful. Just beautiful. Oh, man. Okay. Oh, yay. This is really fun. And look at the, I mean, I got to tell you, look at the amount of goodies you get in one box. Really? And the cool thing is it's all in one place. Because if I was to go out and look for this, I mean, I may find something at one place, something at another place, but to have it all coordinated, I mean, this could be the basis for your whole journal, which probably will be for me, that's for sure. Oh, I love this. Look at these envelopes. Oh, they're beautiful. Oh, man. Oh, and then there's a different pattern. Oh my gosh. This is fabulous. And papers to go inside, coordinating. Check it out. Coordinating papers. Oh, just divine. Ha. I love this. Love this. Oh, and here's, oh, yet another package here. Oh, man. I am so excited about this. This is right up my alley. It's got a vintage theme, a distress theme. It's got flowers and the correspondence. And as you guys know, I just bought a whole bunch of envelopes here at the Postcard and Ephemera show, along with postcards. And so this is all coordinating with it. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Hey, and look at this. Oh, look at this one. And the quality, you guys, I'm telling you, the quality of this paper, this envelope, oh, and look, fully lined. Of course it's fully lined. I wouldn't expect anything less from this Etsy shop. Absolutely beautiful papers. Oh my goodness, this is wonderful. I don't know how she comes up with these different themes every month, but I got to tell you, there's a different theme every month, and I'm so excited about this month's. So I would highly encourage you to go check out her Etsy shop, and you know, maybe your birthday's coming up. Maybe it's just because, or maybe you know a friend who does junk journaling. This is the perfect gift, not only for someone else, but maybe for you too. So go check it out, and I am going to get busy working on some of these. So hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.